Alright, so welcome to my blogging masterclass continuation video of our first video, how to create a blog with a blogger platform. Today we are going to extend the functionality of the blog platform by importing themes from a different publisher to our blogging platform. As we all know, the blogging platform or the blogger platform gives us very limited functionality when it has to do with their themes that are there. And if you want to have a 20th century blog, you need to import some themes. So we're going to look at how to do exactly that. So if you are new here, when you first visit the blogger platform, this is what you see, and you need a Gmail account to sign in from here or start creating a blog here. Because I am already logged into the blogger platform, as soon as I click on any of these buttons, it takes me directly to the blogger platform. But if you are new, then you will need to watch my first video on creating blogs using the blogger platform, and then you can follow up from this video. Alright. So I'm going to select my Gmail account to sign in. Select this. Alright, so once this has been selected, you can see this is one of my blogs that I was working on some time. Okay, so we're going to exactly use this for our demonstration purposes. Once you select the blog that you want to change the theme for, come and select the theme, and I'll put some links in the description below so that you could download some of the templates that I use for this video. So come to this button, click on restore, upload. A quick reminder that when you download the themes, you have to unzip them and then select the XML file that comes with them. So this is what I want to use for this particular is the theme I want to use, and I'm just uploading it. Okay, so restore theme. I can now view my blog, and it should pick the exact same format that theme looks like. Alright, so this is how the theme looks like, and this will be all for this video. It's just to show you how to change the theme. In the next video, we're going to be looking at how to change the layouts of the theme so to fit the exact same format you want it to be. We'll also be looking at how to do this menus and so much more. Thank you for staying with us on this video. That will be all for now. So you can subscribe, share, and like my video to give me more encouragement to do more. Thank you.